Welcome to our general sport at Peace and Hope Academy. This is how we stay active every Friday after studies. Students, teachers, and administration all come together for sports, making it our flying day. Ladies and gentlemen, I am confident you will love this because sports are life. Stay tuned for updates on Peace and Hope Academy's daily activities on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much. We appreciate you all, guys. Love you so much.
Arms up, Akimbo down. Arms up, Akimbo down. Arms up, Akimbo down. Thumbs up. Elbows back. Knees apart. Knees together. Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Yes. We're just gonna make this time so bombastic. Let's go, reach out here. I think everybody is ready here today. We're just gonna make this meeting time bombastic.
We have Susan and Eric. So welcome them to Peace and Hope Academy. So you need to hear them. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Honor me to speak. So I'm going to give a speech to Eric. If you don't understand English well, I have a translator there. You accept the translator, or you understand for your own? You understand? Yes. No need of translator. Yes. How to the translator? Come to the line.
You're the best boy.
No need for the translator. Right? So keep quiet. Don't shout. As we have a visitor, we welcome him to Peace and Hope.
Is mine forevermore. Jesus is mine, is mine.